Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I introduce to you the knife that I make from popsicle stick. Okay, you see, this is the knife made from popsicle stick. I use the glue and then I make this. This video I just show you the knife, the product. But if you want to make this knife, you can look again. You can watch again another video I show you the way how to make on my channel. That video I show you clearly how to make. Okay, this is the first knife. You see, and this is the butterfly knife. You see, this knife made from popsicle stick too. And to make this knife, I have another video. That video I show you how to make this knife clearly. Okay, so now if you like this knife or this video, please press like and then share, and you can follow my channel. By the way, you press on the subscriber button to get some more information when I upload the new video. Thank you and goodbye.